Spin the wheel for a prize.
All the way.
Oh,
Go, 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 go.
Could be for that golden prize.
All the way.
Oh,
Right.
no. Okay, but you did get the number 9. All right, Getty, let's see what did you win.
Oh, it's a little box.
Hey, look, it's a little Nike box, but inside it's a gift card for $25.
Thank you.
Okay, Grandma, your turn. Give it a spin for a prize. Ooh, that's a good spin. 5, 6. All right, it's going to be number 6. This box right here. Okay. There's another little box inside. All right, go ahead and open it up. Let's see what's inside. Oh, look at that. It's a little good luck charm with a 4-leaf clover. Nice, Grandma. Okay, Xander, give it a spin for a prize. Oh, he's going for the golden prize. Well, too fast. Maximus, give it a spin.
Oh!
Okay, that's okay. That's for a prize.
Ooh,
Okay, all right, so you get the number 4, which is this guy right here. See what you got, Maximus.
It's a, oh!
Look at that. Oh, I wish Xander would have got this one. Dill pickle flavored ramen noodles. Xander, you sure you don't want that? Okay. All right, Getty, give it a spin. Going for the gold prize. Okay, it won't make it to the gold, but you're gonna get a number 7. Okay. All right, Getty, so that's the number 7 bag right here. Yeah, okay, let's see what's in your bag. Look at that. It's an electronic yodeling pickle.
No way.
Push a little button and it yodels.
No. I'm going to give this to Peanut.
Uh-oh, Peanut. Oh, Peanut's got it. Oh, Peanut. All right, it's Grandma's turn, but let's do a question for everybody out there first. Check it out. We want to get to know you. What are your plans for this weekend? All right? Let us know in the comments your plans. What is our plans?
We're all going to play pickleball.
Pickleball, that's right. All right, Grandma, she's got her good luck charm. Give it a spin, see if you win a prize. Does she have the good luck? She's gonna get a prize. Okay, so it's gonna be the number 3 bag. All right, let's see what you got in your bag. What do you see there, Grandma? Look at that, and it's really chicken soup. It's not one of those secret crazy banks. It's just a can of soup. Okay, Xander, here we go. All right, is he gonna get not for the gold? There's already been the 4 awarded. All right, Maximus, give it a spin. Your turn. Oh, he's going for the gold. That could be. It's too fast. Okay, Getty, give it a spin. Okay. Oh, well, but you did get a number 1, which there is a number 1 prize bag. Okay.
Yellow one. Oh.
What did you
Is
get?
that bread?
It looks like bread, but take it out. It's a phone case.
I gotta try it.
Look at that.
Hello?
It looks like you're talking to your sandwich. All right, nice, Getty. Okay, Grandma, your turn. Let's see. Ooh, she's doing kind of a lighter touch here. That's gonna be number 2, which there is a number 2 right here, Grandma. So you get the box. You get the big box. Okay, let's see. Ooh, it's got eyeballs on it. You know what it is?
No.
It's a hat. You have to wear it. It's a frog hat. You gotta wear that for the rest of the game. Okay, Xander, give it a spin. Oh, that could be the gold prize. Xander, you got the gold prize. All right, so it's the little box here, but let's go ahead and play for that 8 and 5.
Come on, number 5. Come on, number 5.
Wow, that's
Oh,
good.
no. Okay, going for the 5. Oh, that looks pretty good. But you might get the 8. You might get the 8. Getty! Nice! You got the 8. All right, so it's the little box right here.
Little box.
Let's see what it is.
It's like a little metal piece.
It looks like a little cylinder, but go ahead and just kind of mess with it, because, like, look at
What
that.
is that?
It's a tiny slinky. Look at that. It's a cute little slinky.
Best thing ever. I love it. Oh my God.
Perfect. Okay, we are down to the last prize, number 5, and then we will do the gold prize. But let's do that question first. Okay, we want to get to know you. What was your very first job, and did you love it? Let us know in the comments your very first job. Did you love it? Grandma, give it a spin with your lucky frog there.
Oh,
Oh, it might be a little too slow. Maximus.
Ooh, that's good.
That could be. That could be. That could be. Maximus.
Okay.
Getty, can you get it?
This is it.
That might be a little too fast. Oh no, I think that's it. I think that's it. Yes. All right, you got it. Okay, Getty, the last prize, and then we get to the gold.
love
You
this
still
thing,
like
by
that
the way.
slinky.
I love
Okay.
it. Okay.
Let's see what you got.
Two boxes.
A couple little boxes in there.
What?
And they are bacon flavored toothpaste.
Oh
Yeah,
my God.
that's right. It's bacon flavored toothpaste. Xander, answer to win. So there will be a riddle, and then we will open your gold prize. Okay. Okay, so there's a riddle, and everybody at home, play along. Here we go. What is something no one wants to have, but no one wants to lose either? What is something no one wants to have, but no one wants to lose it either? Let us know in the comments, everybody, your answers. Xander, what do you think?
Oh, right here. An answer to win.
Oh, the answer to win riddle itself.
Yeah.
No one wants to actually try to answer it because sometimes it's a little difficult, right? But you don't want to lose it either because you want your prize.
Yeah.
Xander, that's a good answer. I like it. You get it. All right, but everybody at home, let us know in the comments. Okay, try opening it from the bottom, actually. There you go. Just open it from the bottom. Yeah, that way it comes out. There we go. All right, so there's a little cylinder, and look at that.
Whoa.
This is our first gold prize that is actually gold.
Yeah.
But you know what's special about this gold? It's edible gold. Try it. You can just put it on your tongue.
Can I try?
Oh, it's sweet.
It might be a little sweet, I guess. But look at that. All right, also get this. You get a gift card to Dairy Queen. So that way you can go and get ice cream, and then you can just put the gold flakes on your ice cream. You gotta balance the egg on the toothpick on the candle. Oh no, that definitely didn't work. Grandma, your turn. Give it a flip for a try. Sorry, Grandma. Okay, Xander, flip for a chance. Oh, nice. Okay, you got it. So you get a chance to balance the egg. Okay, you can use the rubber band or the forks, whatever you want to use here. Okay, grab the toothpick. Oh, you know what? That's pretty clever there, dude. But here's the deal. The egg has to balance on top of the toothpick. All right, Maximus. Flipping for a chance. Okay, Maximus. Okay, so you have a chance at it.
Egg,
Okay.
toothpick, take it out of the candle. Check this out.
Oh, pointy side up. Okay,
We're
but
gonna go
how is that
in,
going to balance it?
And we're gonna go like.
What's going on?
Oh, there we go.
You just
And
did
ready?
you stab
1,
the-
2, 3. Oh, it doesn't balance.
Oh! The egg has to be intact. All right, Getty, give it a flip for a chance. All right, nice. Okay, so you get a try at it.
Okay, I'm gonna try it with the forks.
Okay, so you're gonna use the forks and the rubber band. Okay.
Here. Yes,
Sure
yes. Watch
is.
this. Watch.
What are you doing?
What?
On the forks on the top.
Right?
Okay. Is that gonna work?
That's smart.
Is it gonna hold it?
Nice.
Oh, Getty!
Yes.
You know, that's pretty good.
Come on.
Okay, here's the deal though. It has to balance on the toothpick without anything holding it up.
Just like this?
Yes. All right, Grandma, give it a flip. Oh, nice. All right. Grandma, you get a try at it. Okay, Grandma, what is your strategy?
Okay.
Okay, let's see. What do you... Yeah.
Right there, right there, right there.
Okay, let's see, Grandma. Ooh, Grandma. Is it gonna hold? No! Sorry, Grandma. All right, it's Xander's turn, but we've got a question on the board for everybody at home. Check it out. If you could invent something new using science, what would it be? Let us know in the comments. What's something you would love to invent with science? Let us know.
For dogs to talk.
Oh, that's a good one. I like that idea. Okay, let us know in the comments. Here we go, Xander. Nice, okay. All right. Okay, what's your thought this
I have
time?
an idea, okay?
Okay.
So, go like
It's gonna be
this.
something tricky. Whatever
Okay.
this is.
Okay, you're gonna set those on the
Yeah,
table.
like that.
Wait, it's
Interesting.
And then
what?
like that.
Oh, what? That,
Like that.
no.
Yeah.
Oh, well,
It's on
okay.
the toothpick.
Yeah.
Technically, it is balancing on the toothpick, sort of. But Xander, it does have to be upright. It's gotta be upright. Oh, she's like, she's giving you her pointers.
Okay, okay.
Okay. No, sorry. Okay, Grandma, your turn.
Grandma. She's got it.
Oh, so close. All right, who's gonna figure this out? And everybody at home, let us know in the comments. Do you know how this is done? Show us how it's done, right? Okay, double wrapped on the fork. Okay.
Two should be fine. Let's stab into it.
Okay.
Yeah, watch this.
That's pretty clever.
And bada bing, bada boom.
Oh,
Come on, Mike. That's it.
Maximus, the forks are propping it up. They're holding it up. All right, Getty, give it a flip for a chance.
And she made it.
Yes! All right, so you get another try. Okay.
Everything is done with one fork.
One.
Oh, you think you can do it with one? Whoa!
Slippery.
Oh, Getty.
Careful, it's spinning.
It's technically balanced. Okay, so it's balancing on the fork as well.
on the toothpick.
It has to be on the egg only. So you're very close, Getty. All right, Grandma. Oh, so close. Okay, Xander. Aye, okay. Maximus. Oh, all right, Getty, give it a flip. Here we go. Oh, nice. All right, you got it. All right, before you try, we've got another question on the board. All right, guys, check it out. What's a memory you associate with candles? Since our video is about a candle today, let us know if you have a memory that you associate with candles. Let us know.
We're creating a big memory here. for
Right?
our family with this.
All right, Getty, make it memorable. All right, so 2 forks with the rubber band.
Okay.
All right, so then you're gonna try to just.
Get it over with.
Do you think that's gonna
Let's go.
balance it? Oh my gosh, Getty!
Yeah, that's it.
It's balancing! It's balancing! And oh my gosh, it's really holding on there. Oh! You figured it out. Way to go. All right, Getty. So you get the mystery prize, and it is an answer to win. So let's start with the envelope. All right, so there is a riddle.
Okay.
Okay, here we go.
All right,
Let's
guys,
see
help me
it.
out.
And everybody at home, play along.
Yes, you guys help me out. All right.
I can be lit, but I am not a candle. What am I? All right, so something that can be lit, but not a candle. What could it be? Let us know in the comments, everybody. What are your answers? Getty, what is yours?
They're gonna get mad at me because I use this word sometimes, but I think the comments. You know why?
Comments.
The comments on this video are gonna be lit.
They're gonna be lit. I like that.
I know, cheesy,
okay, that's cheesy. All right, but everybody at home, let us know your answers. Getty,
Can I
let's see
finally
what you
open
won
this?
there.
All right. Yes.
Oh no, Okay. Peanut! She's got the bow. Oh, Peanut! Oh, Peanut. Okay.
Minnie
All right.
Minnie never takes anything.
Minnie.
Okay, Peanut.
Okay, Getty, open your prize.
What?
Look at that. It's a
cookie?
headband with a cookie with a bite out of it. You gotta put that on because you are a smart cookie.
I'm a smart cookie. I like it.
And speaking of smart
Yes.
cookies, what else do you have?
Cookies.
Yay! Half a dozen cookies! Chocolate chip cookies, who doesn't love that? All right, Getty, you gotta get the penny into the bottle.
Here it goes. Here it
I
goes.
don't think it's gonna...
It's gonna go in.
No! Grandma, give it a flip for a chance. See if you can solve this trick. Okay, give it a flip. There you go. Okay, so you get a chance at trying to solve this. Now, you're trying to get the penny into the bottle. Okay. Oh, you're gonna try blowing. Oh! Okay. If you land it, no chance. Okay, gotta land it for a chance.
I know how it's done. Here we go.
All right, Getty.
Go, Getty.
All right, Getty, nice. Okay, and by the way, whoever solves this challenge wins the mystery prize. And Getty, you can use this mallet or the
Yes.
straw if you
I
want.
saw
Okay.
that. I'm gonna try something.
Okay.
You're gonna shatter the bottle.
Tap it in. That's why this is here. No, watch. Here it goes.
I don't know, but now here's the deal. You can use the mallet, but you cannot touch it directly to the toothpick.
okay.
Grandma, your turn. Give it a flip for a chance to solve the trick here. Okay. Xander, your turn. Nice. Okay, Xander, you get a chance at it.
I have an idea.
Okay, Xander's got an idea.
Use the mallet to touch it.
I can't. Yeah.
I touch it with the
That's a
bottle.
good idea.
Okay.
Well.
Go, go. That's it.
Oh! Good idea, but it didn't work.
Gotta
All
give
right,
the rest of us a
Maximus.
chance.
See if we can land that flip. All right, nice, Maximus. Okay, so you get a chance to try. What are you thinking on this one? You want to try with the
I
straw?
have an idea. I don't know if this is gonna work.
Okay.
Ready?
Okay. Oh, I see. Oh, suction.
Okay.
Oh,
That's it.
oh, that could work. Oh, I got it! All right, Maximus, nice job. But here's the deal: nothing can touch the penny, including the straw.
So not
That was so creative, but I can't allow it. In the meantime, we've got a question on the board. What's a tool you think everyone should know how to use? All right, let us know in the comments.
This one to figure this out.
That's right. Okay, so Getty, it is your turn. Give it a flip for a chance at it.
I have another idea.
And you solve it. Oh, not this time. Okay, Grandma.
Let's go.
Grandma. Oh, she knows how to do it. Come on, Grandma. Oh, Grandma. She's just got to land that flip. All right, here we go, Maximus. He had a really good
You
idea.
did really good.
Yep.
That should have counted.
Nope, it doesn't count.
But it can't touch. Okay, so Getty. Okay, so you're gonna try to blow the toothpick out of there. Ooh, but the penny goes with it. Good idea, but Grandma, give it a flip. Show us how it's done. Oh, Grandma, Xander. Oh, okay, you got it. All right,
I
okay.
can't touch the penny, but I
Can't
can
touch the penny.
There you go. There you go.
So like.
Oh, no, but I will point out you can't touch the toothpick either. Here we go. Somebody's gonna figure this out.
I got it.
All
You
right.
said you can't touch the penny and the toothpicks.
Oh, Getty.
Watch.
Land in the bottle flips. Okay, so we've got to reset here.
Okay.
Okay, so we got to reset for Getty. All right.
I'm gonna use the hammer.
You're going
and
to
the
use the
mallet.
mallet. Okay, what are you thinking with that mallet?
Watch this.
Oh, so tap it from the bottom.
Oh, yeah, lean it forward. Lean it forward.
Oh, Getty! See if you can land it, Grandma. Here we go, Grandma. Ay, ay, ay. All right, Xander. Here we go. Oh!
So close.
All right, Maximus.
Come on, let's
Can you
go
land
on,
that
ready?
flip?
Come on.
Flip for a chance. Ay.
Okay, my turn.
All right, Getty. Oh! She's had pretty good flips today. Grandma, you just got to get one. Oh, Grandma! Okay, you've landed it. Okay, so Grandma, you think you know how it's done, right?
Okay.
Okay, so before you show us, we've got another question on the board, all right? All right. Was there or is there someone in your life who can fix absolutely anything? All right, let us know in the comments, and if you have any good stories to tell about that.
Mike.
Oh, I know how to fix a few things, but Grandma, do you know how to fix this problem?
I hope so. Please,
Yes.
we don't need.
Oh, okay, so no on the straw.
Yes.
The mallet. Woo. Oh, okay. Oh, tapping the table. Oh, Grandma! You figured it out. That's exactly right, Grandma. You get the mystery box prize. Okay, so we're gonna start with the envelope here. There is an answer to win riddle inside, and then we'll get to that mystery box. Nice job, Grandma. All right, here's the riddle. Speaking of pennies, why did the penny break up with the quarter? So why did the penny break up with the quarter? And everybody at home, let us know your answers. Be as creative and funny as possible. I think there could be some multiple answers here. Grandma.
Because the quarters have two faces.
Oh, the quarter was two-faced, right? Nice, I love that. Grandma, that's a great answer. Let us know if you guys have any other answers out there. Let us know in the comments. Grandma, mystery box time. Ooh, you got some paper in there. Okay. What? Oh, peanut, peanut. Oh, peanut. Oh, just took the paper. Oh, peanut. All right, Grandma, what's in the mystery box? What did you get? Oh, look at that. It's a little goat trophy that says, "You're the goat," because you're the greatest of all time. I love that, Grandma. Way to go. All right, so Grandma's the goat, but everybody got to have fun today. All right, thanks for watching, everybody. We'll get back to you in the comments. Bye.